boy! Shall we put your helmet on? Yeah?
Look how happy you are.
I know she's already got a helmet, but I couldn't resist it when I saw it.
It's a really good helmet.
There you go. Is that Sadie's scooter? That's right.
Did you hear what she just said? Scooter.
What? Aww. Can I have a look at it?
Scooter.
Sadie, stand on the scooter.
Oh, that helmet looks so cute on it.
She's checking out the wheels.
Hold on. And now push yourself.
She can do it.
Yeah.
She's done it before.